Greetings everyone, this is Zaga Tech FX. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install an indicator to your MT4 desktop or laptop. So with no further ado, let me show you guys how to install indicator. First of all, if you download an indicator, if you get an indicator, it will be in a zip file like this. So you need to unzip this file. Let me use these two indicators, Zaga Classic and STI indicator. You need to unzip this file, extract to Classic indicator. After the extraction, that's the file here. That's is done extracting. That's the file here, and this is the indicator I want to do. What I want to install. Now, the first thing I need to do is this. I need to open up my MT4. This is my MT4. Then at the left hand side, I have to hover over to the call file, this file here, click on it, scroll down and click on open data folder here, open data folder, then allow it to load. Yes, now it has shown. Then this is the data folder I just opened. Then I have to drag this and come to this spot, click on templates, see templates here, double click and open templates to open up. These are all the templates. I'll come back to this indicator here, double click classic indicator. That's classic indicator. This is the template, Zaga Tech Classic indicator. I have to click on it, copy the indicator, come to this plot, right click and paste the indicator here, and paste the indicator in the indicator folder. I've done that. Then I have to come back again, go back here, then come to MQL4 folder, double click on it, then come down to indicators, double click on it. Then all these are the indicators in your MT4. You come back to this folder, then copy all the ex4 file 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the 6th file. This is template. You have copied the templates. Now you have to copy the ex4 file. Right click on it, copy, come back to this spot and do what? And paste the indicator, replace. Now I've done pasting the indicator. Then I have to go back again. So I have two indicators I want to put there. Go back again. Then the Zaga Classic system, STI Zaga system, open it again. Now indicators, you open the indicators. Also copy all the file here, Ctrl A, then copy, Ctrl C, or you copy from here, come back to the indicator folder and paste. And Ctrl V, or you paste. So I've posted the indicator folder here, then come back to this point again, back, then copy the template. That's the template. Right click, copy the template, go back here, go back again. That's the template folder here. You double click on template folder and paste the template here. Then that's the Zaga template. Then I think I'm done copying all the indicator I would need to use in my MT4. So I have to close this off. Then how do you show the indicator on your charts here? Then the first thing you need to do is this is your navigator bar. You come down to indicator, right click on it and click refresh. You click refresh, or you close up and reopen your chart again. So when you do that, when you close up and reopen your chart again, then you now come to this point here, right click on this point, scroll and let me use one system and show you how to add this indicator. I maximize this indicator, then right click on it, then scroll down the template, come down to trading system, click on apply. Definitely it will show you that Zaga trading system, which is the dot up, dot down, which is a very powerful what indicator, very nice indicator for you to use. So that's how to install indicator on your MT4. So the first step is just close up this stuff. It's gone. Then you come back again and reopen it again. That's how it will refresh. Either you refresh it or you reopen it again for your indicator to show. So that is very simple how to install indicator. Then, with no further ado, let me show you guys, even if you get an expert advisor like a robot that you want to trade for you. Let me show you guys how to install a robot. If you have a robot or an expert advisor that you want to install on your MT4, I want to automatically trade for you. I kept it EA. Okay, let me choose from here. Let me use Otron. Okay, AEAROTM. Okay, let me use this EA. I don't know. Copy. So if I want to install an EA, I'll have to first of all. So if you want to install an EA, click on File, open data folder, allow it to populate, allow it to show up. Then when the data folder shows up, you copy the EA, the robot, you copy the EA you downloaded. Let me minimize this. Now when the data folder opens up, when the data folder opens, you come to MQL4, click on experts, then paste your EA here. You can right click and paste your EA here. Automatically paste your EA. That is I pasted TEA arrow. Then I have to close this up, then close this up, then come back to this. Let me off this, come back to this point, refresh. After refreshing, then I have to click on expert. That's the TEA arrow. Then I have to right click, attach to populate, show up here. Come on, allow live trading. You click allow this, allow this, allow this. Input, you set anything, you set all the set files you need to set here, and lot size, and you click OK. It will also show up. Click OK, then come here and click auto trading automatically. But all these things works in a VPS server, so you need to have a VPS server to auto trade, to leave your trade system on to trade for you. So that is it. Let me not tempt with my live account. So that is how to install indicator and how to install an EA. Thank you guys and God bless you. Zagatech FX signing off. Peace. Bye for now.